afternoon, all. Am I audible?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We will start with our class. Okay. Today we are going to start with the class is packages within the Java. So this is our second part of our third unit. Okay, I will share the screen and check whether all of you are able to see my full screen or not. Is all of you are able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Now I will go through the packages class. Here the packages is nothing but whenever we want to create a related classes as a group. That is, say for example, I'm creating a different classes, and some classes are required for my one particular purpose. Like say for example, I'm creating a payroll application for a company. Okay, then I want to create a different classes which are required to work with the payroll. For that I can create a different types of packages, different types of classes. So like employee class, employee payslip class, and employee working work hours or leaves, or employee late comings. Okay, these all I want to create as a different classes. Okay, then whenever we are creating these different types of classes of related to the one particular application like a payroll, okay, then we will group these all classes into a one particular package, and we will make it as a collection of classes as the related to the one particular package. So that we will call it as the package. There is another advantage of the packages is say for example, if you want to provide a same name of a class for different types of purposes. Like say for example, I have a academic class, that is I want to take a academic data of an employee. At the same time I require the same academic class in another data like student data. So for student also I want to take a academic data, at the same time I want to take a employee related academic data. So for these two I require the two different classes with the same name as a academic. Okay, this is not possible whenever you are going to create a same name of a class in a one particular folder as a two different classes. Okay, that will not be possible. Okay, for that we can use these packages. So we can create a two different packages, one as a employee related and another as a student related. And within the employee you can create a one academic class, and within the student you can create another academic class. Okay, so that it provides us that to create a different classes with a different functionality, but the class name is the same. So this type of a facility is also there within the packages. And we also have a one more advantage is so whenever we are creating a application or whenever we are creating classes, so without getting confused of what is the purpose of a classes, and for what purpose the class is created, so these all we can check with the packages. Okay, so that we will get a one clarity that these set of classes are related to this particular application. So like employee related, all the classes I am creating as a one package as employee. Then you can say that, so whenever you are using any of a class in the employee package, you will be identify that okay, these all classes are related to the employee. So these all classes will work with the employee data, employee related data. So similarly, say if I am taking a customers data, customers related application, or e-commerce application, so that I can create all the classes which are related to the e-commerce application. Okay, those all I can create as a separate package. I can store all the classes into that particular package. so that we'll get a one idea that these all classes are related to the e-commerce application. So this is the one type of clarity within the program we will get whenever we are using a different classes. Okay, what purpose the class it is and what is the actual use of that particular class. Okay, so those all we can get with the help of packages. Okay, so basic purposes we can group the related classes. The second purpose is the clarity of the program will also increase, and third one is we can create a same name of a class in a different packages. Okay, that is also the another advantage. Okay, so whenever you are creating a package, you can create as a folder. That is similarly like whenever you are grouping of files, okay, we'll make a folder and we'll store all the files into that particular folder. Similarly, whenever you are creating a package, okay, package it doesn't has any coding block and it doesn't has any execution part or compilation part. Those all will not be available. Okay, because package is a folder, and within that folder we will store all the required classes. Okay, but the advantage is, so whenever you created a folder and you are storing your classes into that folder, okay, you can specify that folder as a package into your class, so that whatever the classes you are placing into the package, for all that classes you need to give a one statement as called as a package statement. So you can specify a statement as, sorry, so you can specify a statement as a package, and you can specify your xyz package name. Okay, say for example xyz. Okay, this must be the first statement in each and every class, whatever the classes you are creating in your package. For all that classes you need to mention this particular statement, package space. So whatever your required name of a package, that package you can specify for your classes. Okay, these are the different packages which we are already using within our Java language. So here you can observe the java.lang is the one package where we have a package that is here the hierarchy of a folder it is. Okay, Java is a parent folder, and within that there is a lang is a subfolder, and within that we have all the required classes. Okay, so it contains all the primitive data types, and also it contains all the built-in classes like which we are using regularly within our applications, like system, string class, and mathematical related classes, and threads related classes, exceptions related classes. So almost maximum our core Java classes were stored within the java.lang package. Another package is the util package. This is also within the Java folder. Okay, so this util package contains the different classes which are required for the data structures, and also for which are the additional work you want to do with your code. Okay, those all you can see here. Okay, like you'll be have a random class, and you'll be have some classes are like linked list, and we'll also have the classes for hash tables, vectors, and we also have the classes for the list and collection framework related classes. Okay, so those are the different classes we have within the util package. And here also we also have a one class which we are using daily is the scanner class, so which we are using for the input. Okay, whenever you want to take an input from the keyboard, then we can use the scanner class. Okay, there is a one more package is the IO package which is related to the input output. okay, where we can take a input from the or different types of peripherals, and we can give the output to the different types of peripherals. Okay, here it contains the different input output streams related classes, so which we can call them as the IO stream classes. So which we are using for to take a data from the keyboard, or you can take a data from the files, or you can take a data from the network. Okay. So these are the different things, like printers also you can use. So different types of IO devices, you can access the data or you can send the data to the IO devices. And there is another package is called as a AWT. This is called this is especially for our GUI programming, which we'll get in the whenever we are working with the GUI applications in the Java. So then we can use the AWT. Okay, this is a full form is actually called as a abstract window toolkit. So this package especially contains the different types of controls related classes, like list boxes, text boxes, buttons, windows, frames, different types of scroll bars. Okay, those all related classes will be there in the AWT. Another one is a net package, which we'll use and especially for networking purpose, like whenever you want to send the data to the remote systems, like from your system you want to send the data to the any other system or any other program of a Java which is located in the remote system. Okay, then we can use the net package. Okay. So without this net package specialty is without using the TCP/IP protocol, we can work or we can connect with the different systems of the particular network using this net package. So generally all other networking related applications works based on the TCP/IP protocol. Okay, but here we can work with the without using a TCP/IP protocol, we can work with the Java programs to connect to the different remote systems. Another one is the applet package. This is especially to create the web applications. Okay, whenever you want to create a web client applications or web server applications, for those we can use the applet package. Okay. It contains only one class which is called as the applet class. So using that you can create your web client applications. Okay. So these are the just only the some of the basic packages. Okay, apart from this we have a lot of other packages also there within the Java, so which we can use to create different types of applications within the Java language. Okay. So if you have any doubts you can ask, that is you just unmute and ask. This is like Java lang package is called as a default package, which need not to require the import of a package. We can use directly the lang package, and remaining all the packages we need to import them, and then only we can use that particular classes. Okay. So generally we have the one base package is called as the this is a root folder, and within that we have the lang package and AWT package, and within the lang package we have the multiple classes here. Okay. So apart from this existing packages and classes, okay, we have one more is called as the object class, so which is called as the parent for all the classes. So this is also called as the base class for the all these different packages related classes is also the base class is object class. Okay. So once you know that you have the package and there is a different classes in the package, okay, now you want to access that particular methods in the package, or if you want to access the different classes in the package, okay, then there is a one way is you can specify the complete path of the package. That is, first you need to start with the root. Root package is the Java, and within that there is a package is a lang, and within that there is a class is the math, and within that the method is a square root. So whenever you want to access the square root function, you need to start from the Java, then give the lang package, then specify your required class, and you can specify the required method. Okay, this is the one way to access your class and method of the particular package. There is another way is, the second way is like this. So you can specify a import statement at the top of the program, that is out of your all the classes. At the initial part of your program, you can specify the import statement. Import, mention the Java dot your required package name dot and your required class. So here whenever you want to use only the math class, then you can specify like this. Otherwise you can use the just like say if I want to use multiple classes in my package, so then I can use it as java.lang.asterisk, so that here you can access the any class in the package. So it is not restricted to one particular class. You want to access the any class of a package. So like this also we can mention. Okay. Then you can use the directly either the method directly with the class name and the method name you can use. So why here we are using the can anybody say why we are using a math.sqrt here?
To get the square root of x, ma'am.
So generally whenever we use the method, okay, generally we'll use the one is with the object we can access the our class, that is our method. Okay, another one is using the class we can call the method. Okay. So generally we up to now we are working with the objects. So whenever you require a method of a class, first we'll create an object of the class, then we can access the method in the class. Okay. So when we will use the class name and take a method is, so whenever the method is a static method in the class, okay, then we can take a class name as the reference for the static method, and then we can access. Okay. So we will also see this how we can do with the static methods. Okay. So here it is actually the square root is a static method. Okay, so that we are accessing that with the help of a math class name. Okay, not with the object, we are using the class name directly dot the method name. Okay, so we can also call it as these are the class methods. Okay, not the object methods, these are the class methods. Okay, so generally we have instance variables and class variables. So class variables or class methods are the only single copy we have. Okay, and instance variables or instance methods is we will have the multiple copies. Okay. Okay. So using the import statement, we can access the required class. Okay. So this is the implicit statement. Okay. Package statement must be as the first statement within the R program. Okay. This package statement is especially for whenever you are specifying a class for the particular package, or whenever you are adding a package into the class, whenever you are adding a class into the package, okay, then we can specify the package statement. Okay. So that we will see in the example program. Okay. So up to now whatever we have seen is the how we can use the existing packages, that is whatever the packages which are already provided by the Java language, those packages we are using now. Okay, so these are the like lang package or util package or any AWT package, IO package, net package, these all are which are provided by the Java language and Java software. Okay, so apart from that, if I want to create my own package and if I want to create my own classes into that particular package, Okay, then we need to create a packages is called as the user defined packages. Okay, so whatever the package which we are using up to now is the built-in packages or already provided packages. Okay, so these all are built-in packages. So we can create our user defined packages. Okay, for that we can use this package statement. Okay, for built-in packages we don't require this package statement, directly we can import and we can use that. Whenever we are creating our own packages, then we require this package statement. Okay, so there are the two types of packages. One is the built-in packages, second one is the user defined. Okay, so now we'll see how we can create the user defined packages and how we can specify the classes into that particular package. Okay. So here is the creating of a packages. So for creating of a packages, so we require the statement with the keyword called as a package. Okay, and then we will specify the package statement as the first statement within the program. Okay, so package, and it's specified with the package name. Okay, so semicolon, this is the first statement. And whenever you are specifying the classes, okay, so those classes to be as a one class is to be the public and remaining all the classes is to be the default. Okay, so this public class should have the access to all other classes. Okay, say for example, if you are providing a multiple classes in a one particular Java program, then you can specify the one class as the public and remaining all as the default. Okay, so say for example, if you are creating different .java programs, then you can create the different public classes. Okay, so but whenever you are creating a package, the main purpose is to use that particular class in any of the program, on in any of the folder or in any of the place of your particular system, or in any remote system also the class is to be accessible. Okay, so in that cases we need to give our class as a public. Okay, then only we can access that particular class within the folder and outside the folder, and also in the outside of a system, like a remote system also can access the class. Okay, so even it is our user defined package or maybe a built-in package, so we can access the package with the help of a import statement. Import the package name. Okay, say for example, if you have the base package and the sub packages, then we need to mention the base package dot the sub package name. Otherwise, if you have only one package, then you can give the import the package name. Okay, like this, import my package dot class A. So it gives the access to the class A within the my package. Okay, so if it is a user defined package, we need to create the classes and we need to specify the package statement. If it is a built-in package, we need not to create the classes. Okay, so but accessing of a package is same for the built-in packages and also for the user defined packages. Okay, so this accessing of a package will write in the another program. Okay, we don't write in the same package statement program. Okay, we'll create this program, this accessing of a package in a different .java file, and there we will mention the import statement, the package name dot class name, then we can access the class. Okay, we'll see how this process would be and how can we do this. This is considered as a simple example, like a package is the my package. So package is the my package and class is the class A, and there is a method is the display method, and within that I have a one small println statement as hello I am class A, and there is a one more class as a class B and something like this. Okay, so at least we can consider the one class as a class A and with a display method and a one small statement. Okay, So now this package is to be created is nothing but okay, we should have the folder with the my package, and within that you can create the this .java program. Okay, this file will be stored with the name of sorry. Okay, this file will be created with the name of class a dot java. Okay, because our public class is class A, so that your program will be saved with the name is class A dot java. Okay, now whenever you are compiling it, okay, you'll be compiled with the java c hyphen d. D is for directory. Dot, here we need to mention the dot. There is a dot is there. Next we need to mention the file name is the class a dot java. Okay, so whenever you specify the statement, okay, so the -d option is for to create a folder with the name of your package. Okay, it creates a folder with my package name. Okay, after that, so within this my package it creates your class. Okay, creates class A. Okay, class A that will be created in your folder my package. Okay, so for this purpose we are specifying the just hyphen d, and dot is the current folder. Okay, because our class A is in the current folder, to specify that the location of the our class A dot java, okay, will give the our dot here. Okay, so this -d option is you further. So whenever you are creating a packages, we need to compile the file with the -d option. Okay, so that okay, first it creates a folder with the name of my package. So whatever the package statement and package you are specified within the class a dot java, so with that name it creates a package. Okay, so then it compiles your class A, and the class A dot related class file will be stored within the your folder. Okay, so for that purpose you require the hyphen d option. There is no space, hyphen d immediate. Okay, once after compiling it, so you can run with the command as like okay, so java. So here first we need to mention the my package dot your class name is the class A. Enter. So now your class A will be executed and it shows the output. Okay, there is also another way to run the program is first you need to enter into the package. Okay, so for that first you will make a cd my package, so you can enter into the package. Okay, now you can specify the java command, java class A, so that it executes your class. Okay, so there is a one way is you can run with the your outside of the your package folder, you can run the your package the class A, otherwise you can do like this. Okay, but there is a one thing you need to observe. Okay, within the package actually we don't created main. Okay, so it gives a error actually. So whenever you say like java my package dot class A, it gives the error because there is no main method in that. Okay, just I am showing the way, but it doesn't execute. Okay, so because there is no main method, so it doesn't execute the our class. So just you need to compile it first. Okay, execution we will do from the another program where we will import the package and there we will execute the our class A. Okay, So just you need to remember this Java C statement for compilation of your package file. Okay. So this is the program where we are using our package. Okay. So this program is called as a class x.java because the class name is the class x. So they are saved the file as the class x.java. And here we are specifying the my package is the package name, class A is our class name. So within the main method we are creating an object for the class A. So object new the class A name. So now you can call the display method of the class. Okay. So this program you can directly compile and run. So with the Java C command you can compile it like a class x.java, and with the Java command you can run it Java class x, so that it runs your program. Okay. So preferably whenever you want to test the packages, the preferably this test program, this class x.java to be outside your current folder. Okay, that is wherever you are creating a package, within that you cannot test, that is you can test but it doesn't show any difference. So that better is to create this .java program in a different folder. Okay, like in a different drive or different folder you can try, so that you will get a difference of okay, how you can access your Java programs, okay, from the different folders also, okay, or from the different systems you can how can you access that, okay, that you can get the difference of your packages. Okay. So I'll see the example code also. These are all the same similar to that. You are trying to use the multiple packages also, like here this program is for there is a class A in the my package and class C in the second package. So you are able to create you are able to import both the packages and classes, and you can create objects for the classes, and you can access the display method of those two classes. Now we'll see with our practical example, practical code. If possible, all of you do with me. Okay, you can take any of the editor within your system. Okay. So here I am taking a VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So based on your convenience, you can take any of the thing. Otherwise, if the VS Code is not available, it's better is to take the notepad. So I will start with the notepad. Okay. So first we will try to create a package. That is just I am giving a comment. Okay. So here we are creating a package with the name. I want to specify my package name as calculator, calc. So within this I want to give a different initially I will start with the two classes. One class is like arithmetic operations related class, another class I will do with the relational things, okay, relational operations, and one class has the arithmetic operations. Okay, these are the two classes I want to create. Okay, one has the arithmetic operations and another one has the relational operations. Okay, so this is my main purpose. Within the arithmetic operations, I will be specify the add, addition of a numbers, subtraction of a numbers, multiplication and division. And within the relational operations, I will be mentioned with the greater than, less than, or greater than or equal. equal or something. 2 or 3 methods we will create. Okay. Now I will specify the package. So package name is calci. So create a package with the calci semicolon. Now create our required class. Okay. Public class arthop arithmetic operations. Now create our required methods. I will just specify the two variables a comma b, sorry, and c as my result variable. So here I want to specify the one constructor. Here my constructor is to initialize my ab variables. Okay. Initialize with the two variables as a1 and b1. Okay. So now a is to be assigned with the a1 and b is to be assigned with the b1. Okay, two variables. Okay. So now I want to create my methods. Okay, public void add. Okay. So here I want to specify the c equals to a plus b. At the same time I want to display the result also. Okay, without creating any another method, I will just display the result. Addition equals to plus c variable value. Okay, this is the one method. So I want to take a copy of this method and I want to specify the two or three methods. Okay, just will give all the 4 methods and close the class. Okay, here this is for the subtraction, and this is for the multiplication, and this is for division. Okay. Now I will change the method names. On subtract. Okay. And here my message as subtraction, and next this method is multiplication, mul, and the message is like sorry, multiplication. Okay. And next this method is for the division, div, and this message as division. Okay. So these are the 4 methods I have: on add, on subtract, and on multiplication, and on division. So initially with the constructor we need to give the values, and on the same values it will execute and it will gives the result. Okay. So this is my class. Okay, now save this file with the name of the class name. Okay. So Control S. Arithmetic operations .java. Specify the save as type as the all files. Okay. I will be take some folder. Better I will create in a D drive directly. Take a Java. I have the Java folder. Okay. So within that I am creating my arithmetic op.java. Okay. So this is the one program, and now I want to create a one more program. So here also because here whenever I given in the arithmetic operators, here I specified that calci with the 2 classes. One is arithmetic operations and another one the relational operations. For the second I want to create the second package, second program. Package, same calci is my package name, and class is the public class relational operations, so RELOP. So here also I want to create say 2 variables a comma b. So here also I want to specify the my constructor relational operations. Here I want to specify the two variables a1 comma int b1, and I will assign that the two variables to the my two class variables. A equals to a1 and b equals to b1, the two variables. Now I will specify the different methods which are required for this public void e is greater. Here I want to specify that if a is greater than the b, then I want to give a message another message. Just I want to specify not greater than. So one more method we will create in this, and one more method. So in the second method I want to specify the less than or lesser. So here I can specify the less than for this, and I will change the method message is not less than, and in the third one I want to mention equal. Here I want to specify the equals operator, and this message is also like equals. Equals to b, not equals to b. Here I want to give the not equals to b. Equals to b. Okay. So now we created the two classes. We will save this file relop.java, all files. So we have saved these two files in the Java folder, E drive BVRIT folder, within that Java folder. So I saved the two files. So now we will try to compile these two programs. So this is the first program, arithmetic operators, on add, on subtract, on multiplication, on division. And another one is the relational operators. Here I have is greater, is lesser, and is equal. Okay, now for compiling of these programs, we need to go to the command prompt. So whenever you type the CMD, you can enter into the command prompt. Take the command prompt. So here first you need to change to your folder, that is E drive. Okay, within that I have the folder is BVRIT is the my folder, and within that I have a folder is the Java folder. Okay. So now you need to compile your program. So Java C space -d dot, because our files, our two programs are within the Java folder. To mention the current folder, we are giving a dot space So if you want to compile both the programs at a time, you can mention the Aztec.java. This is also the one option. Otherwise, you can compile with the individual. arthop.java. This is the first program. Okay, is successfully compiled. Now compile the second program. -d dot relational operator dot java. Say if you want to check whether it is properly created or not, you just go for the cd and give your package name, that is your folder also. So it is converted, that is nothing but calc folder is created. Now you can check whether the files are available or not. dir command to check the class files. So here you can check that arthop.class and relop.class. So the two classes are created in this. So that is successfully your package is created with the calc name, and within that the two classes are also created. Okay, so this is the process of a compilation. javac -d dot arthop.java. The second program is also you can compile with javac -d dot relop.java. So you can check with the cd calc dir chase. You can check whether the classes are created or not. Okay, so now you just come out of this one cd dot dot. You can come out of the particular class, the particular folder. Okay, now we will create a test program. Okay, that is the program which can access these classes of a package and can call the methods. Okay, for that again come to the notepad. So create the one more file. Okay, so this file we will save in the different drive or in the different place. Okay, so first you need to specify the import statement, because you want to take a package, that is you want to use the import package. So calc is your package name dot star. So here I want to access all the classes of my calc package. Now create the class, public class, the package example. Okay, here I can give the public static void main. So now I can create objects for the classes. arthop, say like a1 equals to new arthop. So here I want to mention the two values because I created the constructors 12, 23. Similarly, I want to create an object for the relational operators. r1 equals to new relop. So here also I want to give the two values like 45, 23. So the two objects I have created. Now I can call the methods. a1 dot on addition, a1 dot on subtract, a1 dot on multiplication, a1 dot on division. So I call the four methods. At the same time, try to call the methods of the r1. Is greater, r1 dot is lesser, r1 dot is equal. Okay. So now we access all the methods in the two classes. Okay. So now save the file. Control S. So here I want to change the place. So here I am going to the D drive, and there I want to save my file. Okay. pack.ex.java. All files. So our package is in the E drive dvrt java folder, and I'm testing the package from the D drive. Okay, packex.java. Okay, so now you can go again to that command prompt. Okay, change the your required drive, because my test program is in the D drive, so I'm going to the D drive. Okay, so here I can compile my program java c packex.java. Okay, so here it is showing errors. Okay, for package calc does not exist, and it is also showing the arithmetic op is not exist and relational op is not exist. Okay, why? Because whenever we are giving an import, just we are giving that import calc dot asterisk, but we are not saying that where the actually the calc package it is. Okay, our system, our java compiler is not able to search for the calc. Okay, so for that we need to mention this calc path, okay, at somewhere else. Okay, so that our java compiler can check in that particular folder and get the package. Okay, for that there is a one way is to specify the system variables. Okay, that is I think some of you may have idea or may not. Okay, there is the environment variables which are specified for the each and every system. Okay, these environment variables are especially like whenever you want to execute any application or execute any software from a different places of the system. Okay, then we'll mention that particular path in the environment variables. Okay, so that executable file is accessible at anywhere within our particular system. Okay, so similarly in that environment variables, one of the environment variable is called as the class path. Okay, this is especially used for the Java. Okay, so this class path you need to mention your package path in this class path variable. Okay, so that you can access your package from anywhere else within the system. Okay, once you have specified your folder name of the package in the class path, then you can access your package from different places of your system. Like in any drive you can access your package. Okay, so here we will specify that set space class path equals to, here first we need to mention the percentage class path percentage. Okay, this is to specify that whatever the class path which is already available, the same I want to keep it as it is. That is class path equals to percentage class path percentage. That is nothing but it takes the whatever the data which is already available in the class path, that will be substituted here first. Okay, then give the semicolon. Okay, after the existing class path information I want to add my own class path. Okay, so for that you can specify your path. Okay, my package is in the E drive, the folder is bvrit/java is the folder in that. Okay, within this I have my package. Okay, so mention, and also you need to add the current folder is also within this class path, so give the dot semicolon. Okay, this is mandatory. Dot is also we need to have. If the dot is not there in the class path, you are not able to execute your present test program also, you cannot able to execute. Okay, so that dot is also should be there within that. Okay, this is your package package path. Okay, so Java is a parent folder for calc package, so that you are specifying up to Java only, you cannot specify up to calc. Okay, so just mention up to the parent folder of your package. Okay, your folder is your package is the calc, the parent folder for the calc is the Java, so you need to mention that. Okay, for built-in packages actually we don't require this class path. For only user defined packages we require this. Okay, so remember the statement, and all of you please note down the statement. Okay, now the class path is specified. Now you can compile your program again. Java C packex.java cannot access arithmetic OP bad source file. File does not contain class arthop. Please remove or make sure it appears in the current subdirectory or source path. So I will do one thing. First we will check whether these are public or not. Class is public, methods also public. So here also all the classes and methods are public. Actually it doesn't require the source file, but it is asking for the source file. So we are moving our files to the calc package, that is folder, calc folder. Okay, just remove the files. Okay, now we'll try once. Java C packex.java. So it is expecting a source file also. So once after you created the package, try to move the .java files is also into that folder. Okay. Now run this packex. Okay, addition is 35, subtraction is -11, multiplication is 276, division is 0. A is greater than B. Because A is the 45, B is the 23, so A is greater than B. A is not less than the B because A is greater than, but so it is not less than. A not equals to B also. So we are getting a 3 outputs from the relational operator class and 3 outputs from the arithmetic operator class.